Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am making crispy chicken bread ball. You tried many recipes, but its taste is very delicious and different. Now let's start. In wok, add 200 ml water, 3 medium onion chopped, 3 medium tomatoes chopped, 3 green chili chopped. Now mix well. Covered and cook on medium flame until water dry. Now uncovered. Add 300 grams of boiled chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add 2.5 tablespoons of oil and cook on medium flame for 6 to 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, mash with spatula for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, it's done. Now take a bread slice and dip the corner of the bread into water. Now press your hands to drain water. Take a chicken mixture, add in center of bread. Now make a ball and press with soft hand to drain water. Now dip in egg and coat in breadcrumbs. Now you can see it's done. Now check the temperature of pan. Fry on medium flame. Now turn the side. Now it's done. Take out from the wok. Now crispy chicken bread ball is ready to eat. Try it, love it and eat it, and please like the video and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.